In this video, we're going to do some more holiday season top tips, looking at Vulkan performance and pipeline barriers. Most mobile GPUs use some form of tile-based architecture. This is where fragment processing is handled by rendering to a sequence of small tiles. To make this work, we need to know up front all the primitives that contribute to a tile, so each render pass is processed as two disjoint stages. Geometry processing runs first, producing that all-important primitive tile list, and then fragment shading runs second, processing pixels tile by tile and writing them back out. So here's the tip. To get best performance out of this design, you need to submit work so that processing for different render passes can overlap. We need the geometry processing for a render pass to happen in parallel to the pixel processing of an earlier render pass. This load balances the shader core and the memory system and gives the best overall efficiency. Vulkan pipeline barriers allow fine-grained expressions of dependencies between producers and consumers in the command stream. In particular, they'll identify which pipeline stage produces a resource, the source stage, and which stage consumes it, the destination stage. But here's something to remember. It's an easy mistake to set source stage to bottom of pipe and dest stage to top of pipe. This is always safe in terms of reading the correct data, but it serializes the two workload types. This loss of parallel processing is one of the most common causes of poor performance in Vulkan applications on mobile. To avoid this problem, you need to track your resource usage, so you can set source stage as early as possible in the pipeline and dust stage as late as possible. This gives the best opportunity to the GPU scheduling to overlap workloads. To monitor this, you can take advantage of the Streamline profiler in ARM Mobile Studio. This lets you monitor the usage of Mali GPU work queues to see if you're successfully achieving overlap. That's all for now, but I hope you have a chance to look at some more tips on optimizing mobile graphics on developer.arm.com. In the meantime, thanks for watching and have a very happy holiday.